reported na nasa France sila. Sir, nakikita po ba ng Ombudsman yung possibility na gawin nila yung ginawa ni dating Congressman Zaldico?
Possible na nag-seek ng asylum. However, the only ground that she would be using to seek for asylum is political persecution. No? Yan lang po yung pwedeng gawing rason ni Senator Lauren Legarda at Congressman Lian Leviste doon sa France kung gusto niyang kumuha ng asylum. However, everybody sees the facts. Everybody understands kung ano yung naging problema sa ghost electricity. They garnered a virtual monopoly of the allocated amount of megawatts allowed to be farmed, diba, yung solar farm. And yet, they did nothing. So, hinayaan na lang nila yung deadline na lumipas na walang ginawa. And the people, the Filipino public, have felt yung kanilang the effects of the actions that they did. We see that electricity prices are very high, and kung ginawa nila yung kanilang promise to deliver energy from their solar farms, it would have helped us a lot, no? Pero ang nangyari, wala silang ginawa, parang paper company lang ang nangyari. So then we were not able to meet the goals that were set out, no, in terms of electricity, and it affected our prices immensely.